giant universe. It's going to be amazing, so let's blast off.
So let's start with a big one. Have you ever just stared up at the night sky and tried to get your head around how unbelievably huge it all is? I mean, the scale, the distances. It's kind of mind-bending. Well, that's exactly what we're diving into.
First up on our tour is what I like to call a cosmic reality check. We're going to zoom way, way out from our everyday lives to get a perspective that is, and I mean this literally, out of this world. To figure out where we are, first we gotta find ourselves in this cosmic ocean. Imagine we're out here, floating in the dark, looking for home. And then you see it, right there, that tiny pale blue dot. That's us. That's Earth. Yeah, this whole idea is famously known as the pale blue dot. And honestly, it's one of the best ways to get some real perspective on our place in space. And this quote just nails it. Our entire world, every mountain, every ocean, every single person who has ever lived is all on that one little speck. And we're not even in the bustling downtown of our galaxy. We're kind of tucked away in a quiet corner, the cosmic suburbs, if you will. And hey, if you thought being a tiny speck in one galaxy was humbling, get ready for this. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of trillions. Seriously, that number is so big it almost doesn't mean anything. It's just staggering. So let's just recap real quick. We live on a small planet orbiting a pretty average star, way out on the fringes of just one of trillions and trillions of galaxies. It's a humbling thought for sure. But you know what? It's also the start of a pretty incredible story. Okay, so we've kind of wrapped our heads around the space part of it. But what about time? Let's take that same giant leap back, but this time on a giant timeline adventure. So the universe is about 13.8 billion years old. The first stars started to light up not too long after the Big Bang. Our planet Earth didn't even show up to the party until about 4.5 billion years ago. And humanity? Oh, we are just a tiny blip at the very, very end of this cosmic calendar. See that little sliver? That's all of recorded history. All of it. Let me put that into perspective for you. If you think of the entire age of the universe as this eternal cosmic storm, your whole life, all 80 or so years of it, is just a single, fleeting heartbeat in the middle of that storm. A flash. And yet, that tiny, impossibly short flash, that's you. It's your life. You are alive, right here, right now, experiencing this universe on this amazing little spaceship we all call Earth. So if we're so small and our time is so short, what's our connection to this whole giant story? Well, it turns out it's the most direct and, honestly, the most profound connection you could ever imagine. We are literally made of stardust. And I'm not just being poetic here. This is actual science. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, the oxygen you're breathing right now, every single one of those atoms was cooked up in the heart of a star that exploded billions of years ago. And what does that mean? It means we're all connected. We are all part of the same cosmic family, made from the exact same ancient star stuff. We're all crewmates on this little spaceship, sharing this incredible journey through the cosmos. When you really think about it that way, it just changes everything, doesn't it? Why waste our precious, fleeting moments on small worries or anxieties? In the grand scheme of the cosmos, our day-to-day problems are like a single speck of glitter on an infinite beach. So we're tiny, our time here is short, but we're made of stars and we're all in this together. So what do we do with all this? Well, that brings us to our mission, should you choose to accept it. Choose wonder. So how do we live on Spaceship Earth? It's actually pretty simple. Number one, be grateful. Just appreciate the absolute mathematical miracle that you exist at all. Number two, stay curious. Never stop asking those big, mind-blowing questions. And number three, be kind to your fellow crewmates, because we really are all in this together. Being tiny in a vast universe doesn't make you insignificant. It makes you special. Your brief, stardust-fueled moment is this precious opportunity to learn, to connect, and to explore. Which leaves us with one last thought. What part of this incredible galaxy will you explore first?